Good afternoon. Um, this is the task number 4 for English. My name is Jhon Lopez. I am 37 years old. I'm studying engineering at the UNAT University. I am from Villavicencio. I like to watch TV and play soccer. At present, I live in Villavicencio with my wife. She's 30 years old and works as a nurse. She's tall and black. Her favorite hobby is cooking. I have a dog. His name is Mast. He's young and he likes to play all day. I have 4 brothers. My sisters are called Adriana and Carolina, and my brothers are called Nicolas and Pedro. The age of my brothers is 42, 40, 48, and 36. They are very happy. We spend a lot of time together. We have parties and sometimes we go for a walk and to the pool. My mother's name is Marina. She is 64 years old. She has a store and works all day. I don't have father. He died when I was little. Thanks for your attention. Here's the link for the pronunciation. Thank you very much.